The top 5 stories from the past week. Number 5. Mark Zuckerberg has announced plans to achieve Artificial General Intelligence, AGI. While he doesn't have a timeline for when AGI will be reached or an exact definition for it, he has moved Meta's AI research group FAIR to the same part of the company building generative AI products across its apps. The move aims to allow Meta's AI breakthroughs to more directly reach its users. Number 4. OpenAI has announced a partnership with the Pentagon. The company's usage policy previously banned activities like weapons development and military use and warfare, but it recently updated its policies to remove the part about military use and warfare. OpenAI and the Pentagon are working on cybersecurity software and are in discussions about how OpenAI's technology could assist with preventing veteran suicide. Number 3. Elon Musk has shared a video of Tesla's Optimus humanoid robot folding a shirt. The project has come a long way since a very early prototype was shown at Tesla AI Day 2022. Tesla aims to eventually have the robot in people's homes performing a wide range of tasks, but it first plans to have them in its own manufacturing operations for repetitive and/or dangerous tasks. Number 2. Figure is sending its general-purpose humanoid robots to start real-world work at BMW's manufacturing plant in South Carolina. The deal may be one of the first ever commercial deals involving humanoid robots. While the two companies have yet to announce exactly what Figure's robots will be doing on the factory floor, training has already begun in the company's labs for the first tasks. The partnership is milestone-based, so Figure will have to prove its robots can do useful work before it scales its operations. Number 1. Google CEO Sundar Pichai has warned employees that more job cuts are coming this year. There have been numerous layoffs across industries, with AI being a catalyst for productivity improvements. Google has also released their OKRs or objectives and key results for 2024. Their goals include 1. Deliver the world's most advanced, safe, and responsible AI. 2. Improve knowledge, learning, creativity, and productivity. 3. Build the most helpful personal computing platforms and devices. 4. Enable organizations and developers to innovate on Google Cloud. 5. Provide the world's most trusted products and platforms. 6. Build a Google that's extraordinary for Googlers and the world. 7. Improve company velocity, efficiency, and productivity, and deliver durable cost savings.